Ballista. Catapult. Trebuchet. War Elephant. AK-47 bayonet. Arrow with metal end. Bagua moon knives. Baton telescopic metal. Bear archery cruiser bow. Bokken Shoto. Butterfly short swords. Captain America shield. Crossbow. Dagger Ancient. Dagger Fantasy. Dagger Japanese. Double-bladed throwing knife. Double wushu broadswords. Dragon Gladius Chrome. Excalibur Straightsword. Falx. Flail 3-sectional short. Foldable metal knuckle. Guillotine. Han Sword Xiaxue. Han Sword Yangneng. Hasta Roman spear. Japanese katana wakizashi tanto. Japanese short sword o tanto. Japanese sword katana on a small stand. Japanese sword katana on a stand. Japanese sword katana on a two stand. Japanese sword katana on a vertical stand. Japanese two-sword katana wakizashi on a stand. Katana wakizashi tanto set on a stand. Kama. Katana. King Gujin sword. Knuckle bones. Knuckle classic. Knuckle with braiding. Knuckle with spikes. Kunai. Kozurigama with cord plastic. Lever action compound bow. Long sword. Melon hammer pair. Military combat knife. Ninja shuriken circular dagger shinobu. Norman long shield. Norse Viking axe. Nunchaku. Nunchaku chain light plastic. Nunchaku chain metal. Nunchaku octagonal wood lace. Ornate decorative dagger on stand. Parma Roman shield. Pilum Roman javelin. Plum Beatty darts. Police baton. Pugio Roman dagger. Quiver with arrows. Rapier. Roman scissor. Saber sword. Sai. Sai octagonal metal. Sai round steel. Scutum Roman shield. Set of katana swords with display stand. Shuriken throwing ninja knife. Single blade axe pair. Spada Roman sword. Spiked ball mace medieval. Staff 3-sectional plastic. Staff 3-sectional short metal. Sword. Tanto. Templar sword metal. Thor hammer. Throwing axe. Throwing knife. Tomahawk axe tactical. Tonfa Okinawa wood. Tonfa plastic. Triangular knight shield. Twin hooks tree swords. Two competition commas. Varutum. Viking round shield. Viking Ulfbert sword. Vintage pistol-shaped flintlock letter opener. Wood fist.